Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use stop limit orders on MEXC Global. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC Global application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the MEXC Global app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, the app is going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on MEXC Global. So now to let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to use stop limit orders on MEXC Global. Now, a stop limit order is a preset order allowing users to set the trigger price, buy or sell price, and buy or sell amount in advance. Okay, now for you to set the stop limit orders on MEXC, what you need to do from this home page is to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. You have home, markets, trade, futures, and wallet. Go ahead to trade and click on trade. So now that we're in trade, if you want to set your stop limit orders, you can set it at the buy rate and you can set it at a sell rate. So if you want to buy, you can set your stop limit order, and of course if you want to sell, you can also set your stop limit order. So let's say we're taking it to sell. Now from this sell, head over to the limits. Of course, right under sell, you're going to see that limit option with a drop down icon. Now go ahead and click on that, and you have this extended option that says limits, market, stop limit, and OCO. Now go ahead and click on stop limits. When you click on stop limit, now all of these communication boxes are going to be available for you. So over here you can set your trigger price in USDT. Now also set your price in USDT and then your quantity BNB. All right, because we want to sell this BNB. Now once you set your trigger price, once you get to that particular amount, MEXC is going to be triggered that, okay, once you get this particular amount, stop selling or do not sell. All right, so that's just pretty much what it looks like. That is how to set your stop limit order. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.